Hello everyone, welcome to the series of science lessons. This is a continuation of the previous lecture. How do our activities affect the environment? Human beings are the part of environment. Changes in the environment even affect us and other living organisms as well. Due to our excessive pollution to the environment, the side effects of those damages are very harmful to all living organisms on the earth. In this chapter, we shall see depletion of ozone layer and waste disposal. One of the cause of depletion of ozone layer is pollution created by human beings. Ozone layer and how it is getting depleted. Ozone, O3, is a molecule formed by 3 atoms of oxygen. We normally refer this O2 molecule as oxygen. This O2 is essential for all aerobic reactions. Ozone is very harmful, is deadly poisonous. However, ozone at higher levels of atmosphere performs an essential function. Ozone shields the surface of Earth from the ultraviolet radiation from the sun. This UV radiation, this high energy UV radiation is harmful for many living organisms. Even for human, the high energy UV radiation may cause some forms of skin cancer. So this high energy UV radiation is really harmful. Ozone at higher levels of atmosphere is a product of UV radiation acting on oxygen molecule. The high energy UV radiation splits the O2 molecule into constituent atoms. Some of these constituent atoms will combine with O2, the normal oxygen, to form O3. Ozone. The amount of ozone, if we go back to 1980s, the amount of ozone in the atmosphere began to drop. The decrease in the size of ozone layer is directly linked to synthetic chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs. This CFCs was generally used in refrigerants and in fire extinguishers. Nowadays, governments made it mandatory to make CFC-free refrigerators throughout the world. Managing garbage we produce. We throw away a lot of materials to our environment, and most of the substances that we throw to our environment may not be broken down by biological processes. Substances that are broken down by biological processes are known as biodegradable. And the substances that take significant time or cannot be broken down by biological process are known as non-biodegradable substances. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society Bangalore under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.